just got my nails done. I don't even know why I did that. But anyways, I love the color. Hey! My music trying to mess me up. So I love the color. It's called Cherry Pie. And look how cute it is. Ooh. So I just got my nails done. I really don't have a lot to do today. I ran a couple of errands earlier today. I know that I'm going on a little mini date. Probably around like 4 or 5 Mexican, because I love Mexican food. And so we're gonna go there. And then the game's coming on tonight, so I know we'll be doing that. And then, yeah, I really don't know what else we're gonna be having going on, y'all. But I have to remember to record, so that's what we about to do. I gotta get me something to eat and then go get my eyebrows wet. And then we're gonna talk about my hair later, because what the heck is happening here? My hair don't ever stay straight. Ever. I really think it needs to be heat trained or something, because oh my gosh. So yeah, let me go get something to eat and go to the mall to get my eyebrows done. Back in the car. Eyebrows are done. I did not get to buy anything for Bath and Body Works, which might have been a sign, because I shouldn't have been in there. But they have a sale going on. The terminals and everything went down, so I wasn't able to buy nothing. But I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna order it online because I gotta use my coupon. So now I have to go get a battery for my car key. So I'm about to find out where to go to do that. And then go home, try to take a nap, and get ready to go eat with my hubby. This little bitty battery, and look at my hair, this is crazy. This little bitty battery is $10. This is crazy. Why is this $10? This little bitty thing. Oh my goodness, that didn't make no sense. I finally found the dang battery, y'all. Finally. So I can stop running all over the place and running all around trying to find a dang thing. I was in Kroger for about 20 minutes because they said they had it and they didn't. So now I can finally go home, get ready so we can go eat. So I'm not gonna do no get ready with me. Y'all just gonna see us at the restaurant. All right, y'all. I did not record when I was at home. So I done reflat ironed my hair. I just got on a dress, some sandals, and that's really it. Ain't nothing spectacular about it. And my little gold watch. We at the gas station right now, but we about to get ready to head to the restaurant I was telling y'all about. My stomach in my back, so I can't wait to eat. I'm so ready to eat, y'all. My hair looks so much better. I flat ironed and put a little curl in. I don't think it's gonna last, but we'll see. I'm gonna see y'all at the restaurant because I don't know where he is. He went in the store, but when he come back, we gonna be headed that way. So
VIP I did.
yeah, I done broke this camera.
Get the back of my hat. You know what time it is.
This
Get
much
my
is
socks.
well, shut up.
You know what time it is.
Okay, you doing too much, bro. This camera just be vibrating now. Today is a cardio day. I do not feel like working out today. I ain't even started. I'm just sitting here. Ooh, I need to find some motivation because it's not about to find me. So let me find out. I am doing cardio. So today I have a HIIT style. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. I'm doing burpees, mountain climbers, jump squats, plank with shoulder taps, high knees, Russian twists. I forgot what these called, but I'm doing them. And then bicycle crunches. And I got some finishers, jump lunges, and flutter kicks. Yeah. We about to get to it. Let's go. All right, and y'all can use weight if you want. I'm not about to use weight. Well, I am, but on certain exercises. Gotta start my watch. Don't forget to start your watch. Cause that there be pissing me off. When I be forgetting to start my watch, I be trying to count them calories and be forgetting. And 40 seconds. Let's go. We got burpees. Oh, child. Babe, I'm tired. It's just the first exercise. We got mountain climbers. Let's go. "40 seconds is death. Baby, this should have been over a long time ago. Okay. Hey, get up. I'm not really sure I'm resting 20 seconds because I don't really feel like I need to rest that long. But, all right. Jump squats, let's go. Baby, I'm tired. What is happening? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all finna hear me breathing this whole goddamn video. I'm so tired. Yesterday was back and arm or upper body. Monday was legs, and I think my legs still, they still hurt from Monday. Secondly, I did a 2-day detox, no food, and today's the day I eat food, and I think I'm fit with it, which is probably why I'm so tired already, because usually I don't be this tired in the first episode. I mean, the first, what's it called? The first round. Good grief. I don't see how y'all do it. I thought this was a good idea and it ain't. I can't talk and work out. This is not for me. I'm using all my breath that I could be using to talk, and I really need to use it for working out. My legs shaking like booty meat. Like noodles. And then yeah, I'm come back. Cause yeah, this ain't the business. Yeah, I'm about to speed this up. I've been looking for these in the cookies and cream Reese's, and I finally found them. I'm so happy. I'm ready to try them right now. And it better be good. Ooh, mouth watery. Cookies and cream, and this one, Oreo, Reese's Oreo. This is what it look like. Smell just like a Reese's. Let's see. Got the brown on the bottom, white on the top. I mean, it's good, but it ain't just like, ooh, I'm dying to have that again. But it's all right. Yeah, it's all right. It's good though.